Drop 1 clove of garlic in your toilet tonight and be shocked by the results. This amazing trick is going to blow your mind. Get ready because this is a tip you've probably never heard before. Trust me, you're going to want to try this tonight. First, slice a clove of garlic into thin pieces and put them in a glass with about 200 milliliters of water. By the way, let me know which city you're watching from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Shout out today goes to Paula from Miami. Now, add 100 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and let it sit for about 30 minutes. After that, take the mixture and pour it straight into the toilet. It's best to do this at night, just before bed, so the mixture has time to work while the bathroom isn't being used. In the morning, after using the toilet, say goodbye to bacteria and stains. I promise, this method is foolproof and will leave your toilet sparkling clean and free of any germs. Plus, the vinegar helps whiten the toilet and gets rid of those bad odors we all hate. Your toilet will look and smell as good as new. Subscribe for more tips.